Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to hide your helmet in BGMI. First, from the main lobby, tap on the inventory icon located on the bottom right of your screen. This opens up all your equipped gear and available items. It's a quick and easy way to start customizing your character's look, giving you more control over your in-game style. This simple adjustment can significantly enhance your visual experience. Once in your inventory, you'll see various tabs. Look for the Settings or Appearance option, usually represented by a gear icon or a character silhouette. Tap on this to access your character's visual customization options. This section allows you to fine-tune how your character looks to others and yourself during gameplay, ensuring your preferred aesthetic is always on display. Now, within the Appearance settings, you will find a specific option labeled Hide Helmet or Display Helmet in Match. This is the key setting we need. Tap the toggle switch next to this option to turn it on for hiding or off for displaying. Once toggled, your helmet will no longer be visible on your character during gameplay, giving you that sleek, unencumbered look you desire. That's it. With just a few taps, your character will now appear without a helmet in all future matches. This small but impactful change allows your character's headgear, or lack thereof, to truly stand out. Enjoy showcasing your preferred head cosmetic or even your character's hair without any obstruction. It's a fantastic way to personalize your BGMI experience and make your avatar uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.